Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can turn on auto restart feature on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our settings application on our Samsung Galaxy phone. And after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the device care. This one, click on this device care option, and here you have to scroll down a little bit until you find the auto optimization. This one, okay, and here we can click on the auto restart. And if we want to activate this auto restart feature, we just need to click on the toggle button. We can click on restart when needed, or you can also restart on schedule, and I prefer this one, so I'm gonna click on the toggle button to activate this restart when needed on my Android phone. And you can read the description right here. Your phone will restart automatically when performance issues are detected. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn on auto restart feature on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.